On the rear. Hello and welcome to a Trains At. Today we're at Fratton on the Portsmouth Direct Line, where we're seeing services from Great Western Railway, South Western Railway and Southern. So I'm on the Footbridge today. That is to respect social distancing. This is filmed on the 23rd of June 2020, which is still the lockdown period for COVID-19. So I'm staying away from the platforms to respect social distancing. So, local station for me. Been here multiple times before. For doing, not just while I lived here, but I used to come here a lot for changing trains while I lived back over in Sussex. Anyway, here's our first train. 450-114. It's called Footbridge. (450-052). And 450-118, which is working the 1108 South Western Railway service from Portsmouth Harbour to London Waterloo via Basingstoke. And this is a short platform here, so 12 coach trains don't fit. So anyways, without further ado, let's see what else shall turn up. 442 movement coming out of Fratton Depot. And down to the other side is the delayed 1108 South Western Railway service from London Waterloo to Portsmouth Harbour. That's there for the wash. And leaving over here is 450-002, and then over there the 442 is 442-417, and back over to the left you've got 450-022, and then 450-096. I don't know which working this is for the 442. I did look up real-time trains, but it's not showing anything. I believe I did see this one shunting in earlier when I was turning up. And I believe it is a 442 on its own, this one. First time I've actually captured 442s. Never got a chance to ride them yet. Of course, these were taken out of service last year because they're causing signalling problems at Earlsfield on the South Western Main Line up at Greater London. But now they're back. I've had lots of modifications done to them. In fact, quite a few there done when they were before they even entered service with South Western Railway. Of course, previously being in service with Gatwick Express. Now forced to have the new Class 387 Electra stars, which are really nice. I haven't even been on one, but they do look nice. And off goes that one. Departing now is the 11:15 Southern service from Brighton to Portsmouth Harbour. And and that 442, as you can see that we saw earlier, has only gone as far as there. So that 442 is on the move again, as we have the 1119 Southern service from Portsmouth Harbour to London Victoria via Horsham and Gatwick Airport. That's 377446. Here comes 442 417 again. These units did used to be with South West Trains before about the mid-2000s, when the 444s replaced them. And they used to be used on services along the South Western main line between London, Waterloo and Weymouth. Not too sure that they did in the others. I think they might have, but I'm not entirely sure myself. It's like heading for the shed. This is the 1124 South Western Railway service from Portsmouth Harbour to London Waterloo via Guildford, with 450-077 at the front. In the middle, 450-008. And at the very rear is 450-127. This is the 1131 Great Western Railway service from Portsmouth Harbour to Cardiff Central. 166-211. It's got green cameras on the side, which obviously are green for the GWR livery, but it's been put onto a train with the old First Great Western livery, which looks odd. But there you go. This is the 1137 Southern service from Portsmouth Harbour to Brighton. 377153. Arriving now is the 1137 South Western Railway service from Southampton Central, terminating here. They'd normally go to Portsmouth and Southsea, but due to the coronavirus timetable, it's only running as far as here at Fratton. 450-119. And now leaving over on platform 1 is the 1137 Southern service, well, we'll believe it, from Portsmouth Harbour to Brighton. So as when this train does leave, which as this train leaves, I will leave it there. Thank you for watching. Managed to get a train video out during the lockdown, so I was how to do. So yeah, thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video.